Hey, let's make another unpacking video, this time in English. So, a few weeks ago, Disney announced something that they want to make changes to the Scrooge McDuck stories. So, well, I don't really care that much about those changes, what is going to happen, but what I wanted, or what I decided at that point, that I have for a long time I wanted to have Scrooge McDuck, McDuck stories as a printed version. So then after the news, I went to the web pages and started to search are there anything available. So the Finnish versions they are not in the print anymore. At least I think so. I didn't find any. So I decided to go with the English one. So here is the package of the book, and I have to say that it's massive. This box is really large. I don't want to move my camera because it's in focus right now. So let's open it and check it out. What we are going to see over here. So it should be like a collector's edition of Scrooge McDuck stories. So let's see how it is. Oh man, I should have taken my knife instead of this thing. It's there we go. So there is a package within the package itself. The complete life and times of Scrooge McDuck. So I think that this plastic, or this not plastic, but this package within the package that is also like collector's edition. So let's see. Damn, this is heavy. How is the focus? It's focusing. So this book, it's massive. So let's see how does it open. There we go. In a good condition, at least it looks like it is. Oh my god. Oh, it's coming already. So yeah, I don't want to throw away this packaging. This is quite nice. Focus is quite nice. But let's see the actual product. Complete life of Scrooge McDuck. Is there anything I can compare it to? Do I have any like is there paper? Well, I have this. I can compare. There is a basic Dungeons and Dragons book, and this is quite a lot bigger than that is. And also I have like iPad over here, iPad mini. it, it, it's a quite large book, I have to say. Weight is like a maybe 5 kilograms. So yep, complete life of the complete life and times of Scrooge McDuck. Let's see how can. There we go. By Don Rosa, of course. Let's see, what do we have here? This should like basically contain all the like histories, all the like the basic stories. The first one that came from the beginning of the life of Scrooge McDuck. It was printed in 2021. Then it's also available. Yeah, this contains like the Don Rosa Library volumes 1 to 10, and this has the Walt Disney's Donald Duck, Christmas on Bear Mountain, Only a Poor Old Man, The Great Survival Test, To Follow the Fearless Leader, Scrooge by the Sky, and Mickey Mouse Greatest Adventures and Mickey Mouse Delta Dimension. You probably cannot see the font, but anyway, let's see. This has 556 pages. Damn, this book is big. Like first image. I was thinking about that. Should I get a digital version of this book? but imagine reading the whole page with this one. You would not be able to read the font. Very nice print. These pages are quite thick. This is not like a. This is proper paper. Yeah, there is a making of the last of the Clan McDuck. How many pages this is? 3. Well, I'm not going to go through every page, of course, but I'm quite interested about this book. So that was the first story, and then he goes to the USA. Splosh. Sorry. Wait, look, these are the awful Beagle Boys. Yo. And they are very happy to get the name of Beagle Boys. Catchy, simple, yet elegant. Yep. This is a nice book. I have to. 500. Making of the invader of Fort Duckburg. Oh, there is a. There was a. Okay, there is a few things. First of all, we have a ribbon. Excellent. I would like to see more of these. There is only one, like 3 or 4, but one is good start. And also there is like a. There seems to be like an extra duck family tree, which is quite nice. Friends of the family. There is a Donald. Yeah, the whole family. Family over here. Yeah, very nice. What else? These are the original ones. There's another. Oh man! Are you able to see the money bin blueprints? So yeah, there's a blueprints of the money bin. Quite nice. So was that the controversy that this is not okay? Zombies not allowed anymore. Empire Builder from Kalisata. Hm. Yeah. Yep. Ukvuk, Bombi, not a zombie. Running after the Eldorado gold. And this is how that I will make a spoilers. The hex will bind your dear friend to our island. It will imprison him here for 30 years or so. And this he gives like a bad luck. And I think that 30 years later, Donald Duck will, because they look similar or whatever. So this will give the curse to the Donald Duck, and that's why the Donald Duck is so unlucky. So I don't know how the hell they are going to fix it if they say that this is not okay. Anyways, Empire Builder from Kalisato. Yep, a lot of content. Very nice book. Oh, these are some newer stories with the president of the USA. I really like the quality of the paper. It's really thick paper. So yeah, let's see. Do we have anything special on the? Here is maybe some. This is a thicker page than normal. So there is something like a poster. Well, of course not. I'm not going to rip this out. Yeah, this very nice poster image. This is a front cover to something. But yes, I'm quite happy with it. This was 180 euros, but I had to order it from the USA, so the postal cost was around 40 euros or 50 euros, and I also had to pay the taxes. So the total price of the book is 240 euros, if I am not totally wrong. But still, I think this is quite thick one. This is and very well made. So I'm not saying this. I'm happy with it. Over 500 pages of stories, 555. So yeah, Donald Duck, Life and Times of Scrooge McDuck. I heavily recommend it. I really like it. Only thing is that it weighs quite a bit, 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms, something like that, and it takes a lot of space on your shelf. I'm not, I'm not, I don't know yet where I'm able to fit it. It's a huge book. Like my normal books that I have quite a lot of these Dungeons and Dragons, the fantasy books. So the normal spacing for it is here, and this is like a 8 centimeters, 10 centimeters larger than this one. So yeah, big book. But yeah, if you like the content, just press the like button. Bye bye.